Believe that we should be going to Mars? Is this a good idea?
I don't see why not, for many reasons.
Well, it's expensive.
Well, yeah, sure, but...
And is it really of value in terms of science?
It is if it galvanizes an entire generation of students in the educational pipeline to want to become scientists, engineers, technologists, and mathematics. The next generation of astronauts to land on Mars are in middle school now. So what I have in mind is you go select them. And you select them now in middle school.
It's like China with Olympic athletes.
Exactly. And then Team Beat will chase them and follow them. How are your grades? Are you healthy? Are you eating right? Then everybody will want to be them. It'll be the next generation's Mercury 7. And you get them from middle school. And that'll galvanize a nation.
So we need like an American Idol for the next generation of astronauts.
Essentially, we've lost our intellectual compass. Our urge to want to dream about tomorrow has long evaporated, and that has stymied any of our efforts to see ourselves in the future as the rest of the world passes us by.
But isn't it okay? Can't we just subcontract that out to other nations? Like, why should we be the ones to pay for it, so do the science?
Instead of we going to Mars, we just farm it out.
Yeah, China, you take care of that.
Well, of course, Mars was already red. So it'd be easy to market that in China.
No, but like the science, like we'll get the numbers. Like why do we have to be the one to pay for it?
That's if you're only after the scientific results. But there's another layer here, and that's the ambition that a next generation will have upon seeing one of our own out there doing the discovering. This is why there's statues throughout time and across cultures given unto explorers. Just look around. Yes, there are military people holding guns and explorers, all right? So the exploration part is a fundamental dimension of what it is to be alive and what it is to be human.